Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Bumble in iPhone step by step. This tutorial is perfect for beginners from downloading the app, creating a profile, swiping, chatting. So make sure you watch till the end so you do not miss any important features. First, you need to go to the App Store and on the bottom right corner we can see the search icon, select that and type down Bumble. Over here, select the Bumble dating app and select download option here. So if you're confused about how Bumble works or you've just downloaded the app and do not know where to start, you do not need to worry. In this video, I'll explain everything about Bumble. Bumble is a social app where people connect for dating, friendship, or other networking. It's different from other apps because it focuses on respect and safety, especially for women. The biggest difference is called women message first. In date mode, when there is a match, women must send the first message. They have 24 hours. After receive messages, the man has 24 hours to reply. If no one message in time, the match disappears. This helps reduce spam and creepy messages. And after you download the Bumble, you can simply select open. So there we can see the options, select quick sign in, or you can simply continue with other methods as I'm choosing the other methods by tapping on that. And over here you can continue with Apple ID, with Facebook, or you can use cell phone numbers. So as I'm going with the cell phone number, you can choose any options over here. And after that, you can simply type down your mobile number and make sure your country is correct. So you're done. You are also required to verify your number. So select OK. So you need to verify your number, so you'll get a code in your phone number message. So what you have to do is simply type down the code here and select the code. And after you're done, in the bottom right corner again, select that icon. So over here, simply select the continue on the bottom. So here we can see all of the basic informations about your lifestyle and habits. If you want to add that in your profile, you can simply select the options over here and you can only choose one of the option. And after you're done, you can select on the bottom right corner of that icon, or you can simply skip this option if you want. And here again, select all of the basic informations you want, or you can skip this option as well, as I'm going to skip it. And choose a religion if you're Buddhist or any of the religion on the screen, or you can skip this option as well and select all of the basic informations if you want to add in your profile, or simply skip this. And if you want to add at least any prompt, you can simply select add prompt by tapping on the first prompt, and over here you can select the prompt that Bumble has given to you by selecting just one of the option over here by tapping on this. And after you're done, you can select on the save on the bottom here. And if you want to add second or third prompt, do the exact same process that I just did on the first prompt. And after you're done, on the bottom right corner again, we could see the icon, select that icon. And it's time to put a face to the name. So if you want to put your photos, so you can simply tap on the plus icon and you can add more photos. You can either add your photos from the Facebook, upload photos from your library, or you can simply take a photo if you want by just tapping on this option. As I'm going to upload photos, so tap on the middle of the option and simply select the photo from your library by tapping on photo. And after you're done, in the top right corner again, we can see the right icon, tap the right icon. And if you want to crop the photo, you can simply zoom in or zoom out as per your preferences. And on the bottom, we can see the upload icon, tap on the upload icon. And now the photo has uploaded. And if you want to do more photos, if you want to add more photos, you can simply do the same thing that I just did in the first photo, just by tapping on the plus icon. And on the bottom, select upload photos from Facebook, or you can simply take a photo, whichever your preferences wise. And tap on the photo just like this, and in the top right corner, do the exact same process and select upload on the bottom. So you are required to add at least 4 photos to continue. Do the same process by tapping on the plus icon. And after you're done, in the bottom right corner, there's this icon to get to the next page, select that. So if you want to put any move in your profile, then you can simply select one of the option that Bumble has given to you, or you can write your own opening move by just tapping on the first option, and you can simply write your own opening move. And after you're done, you can save it. And if you want to add more move like this, you can type down. You can do the same thing by just simply tapping on the options, or you can simply select write your own opening move. Or if you want to skip, on the bottom left corner we could see the skip option. Select that. And after you're done, select got it and tap on the I accept option on the bottom. So Bumble would like to send you messages, and if you want notifications from Bumble, you can select allow. Or if you do not want any notifications from Bumble chat notifications, then you can simply select do not allow. So here you go, and select start connecting and start swiping. And when we reach to the Bumble, you can simply start swiping right in order to get a match. Or if you do not prefer this person, you can simply swipe left. That means you are not interested with that person. And if you want to super like, you can simply tap on the bottom right corner. There's a star option. Tap on the star and you can stand up with the super swipes. But in order to do super swipes, you are required to pay a certain amount to Bumble. So on the bottom we could see all of the features. You can go to your profile here. You can tap on the complete profile in the top. And if you say you want to add anything more, you can simply check out all of the option here. And if you want to write a bio that describes you well, you can write down as well. And after you're done, you can save it. Over here the option is save. And if you want to write anything about you, either your work, education, gender, location, you can add it by just tapping on this option just beside by tapping on the add. Here you can find your current city by just selecting one of the city that you live in. And on the bottom again we could see there's more about you. If you want to cover the things most people are curious about, you can select the option serially. You can select your height, and after you're done with the height, you can simply select done here. And if you want to add more, you can tap on this option here, do it more. Or if you want to skip, you can simply skip. And if you also want to connect your account to the other options, you can select connect to my Spotify. See connect to my Spotify by just tapping on this green circle just beside the connect my Spotify option over here. And here you can see all of the top artists that will show in your Bumble profile. And you can also select the artist that you do not like to show on the Spotify profile by just tapping on the artist picture here. Or if you do not want to connect your Spotify, you can simply deselect by just tapping the same circle. And just like this, you just disconnected from your Spotify. And here you can see you can also choose the language that you know by just tapping on add your languages. And here you can see all of the languages. What you have to do is simply tap on the small square box just beside it. And you can also search for a language if you could not find it on the screen by just tapping on search for a language here. And here you can see tap on the square circle. And after you're done, select save on the bottom. And if you have more any preferred languages from the selected option, you can again select, or if you do not want to, you can simply skip on the bottom. And here you can see on the like the option on the bottom just beside the chats. And here you can find all the people they're into you and has swiped you right, and you'll get all of the informations here. And in order to chat with people, in the bottom right corner just beside the like you option, there's chat. Select that and you'll find all of the conversations chats here. And in order to discover people, on the bottom we could see just beside the profile there's a discover option as well. Here you could discover all of the people here which are recommended for you. And in order to swipe, just beside the discover there's people option, you can start swiping. And this is it guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you in this tutorial, and do not forget to like, subscribe and comment down below. If you have any trouble using Bumble, you can simply comment down and we will reach out to your comment.